truth is within our hearts. The love. No one can open your heart for you. Only you can open it. With courage to surrender and accept yourself fully. Forgive yourself. Cry with tears of release. Tears releasing the baggage. Like a feather gliding through the breeze. Rising up into the sky. Be like a feather. Be light. Remember the truth within you. Remember that perfection that you truly are. See with the eyes of unity. Feel with the heart of unity. Realize that there is no ego. Ego is the veil of forgetting. But underneath that forgetting resides our true nature. We can never be separate from our nature. Our nature is the unity of all life. Unity is the truth. Unity is the ultimate and absolute. Look into my eyes and realize that yourself is looking back. You are looking at yourself. And I am saying, I love you. I love you because we are one. I love you unconditionally. I see you within me. Opening the heart is the key. But in order for us to open our hearts, we first need to face our fears. We need to have courage to go within. Awakening is a personal process, because only ourselves can awaken. The true awakening is to Know thyself. Trust in thyself. Be who we truly are. Speak with our true voice, not copy of what other people say, not quote words from books or get the truth from books. An enlightened race, an enlightened being would never need to read truth from another book, because they have their voice, they speak their truth. The truth is within. We are awakening. We are rebirthing. We are resurrecting the Christ within. The Christ within is the true meaning of Christ. Christ is not a particular being. Christ is the divinity within us all. Christ is the nature of us all. Every single one of us has a Christed nature. Christ is simply the realization of our divinity. That is the true meaning of what people call Christ. I am the Christ, you are the Christ. Everyone is the Christ. Whether or not they are aware of it or not, whether we are fully realized Christed beings, matters not, because we are still Christed. Some of us have just gone to sleep, we've just forgotten who we are, but underneath that forgetting, we are still those Christed beings. We are still divine beings. The act of forgetting does not make us less divine. The act of forgetting does not mean we are removed from our divinity, for how can we ever be anything but divine? How can we be anything but that which we are? The age of self-empowerment is upon us. It's time to empower ourselves, reclaim our sovereignty, and let the religions crumble to the ground, because there will be no need for religions, because we will all be connected to our divinity. We will all be awakened to our true nature. May all beings awaken and remember their perfection. It's time to resurrect into the Christ Genesis of rebirth, beyond nemesis. Be still like a windless flame. Be clear like a cloudless sky. Be light like a feather. Be brave like a lion. Don't let anyone sway you from your truth.